Flip card animation, Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Alight Motion application on your device. Once the app has launched, locate the Create New Project button and tap it to begin a new editing project. Adjust the settings based on your preferences. After selecting the desired settings, press Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Once inside the project, tap the plus button located near the bottom of the screen to add media to your timeline. Browse your device and select the footage or image that you want to use for the flip card animation. Next, select the imported layer by tapping on it. With the layer selected, open the Effects menu. Inside the Effects section, tap Add Effect to open the Effect browser. The Effect browser contains many categories of effects that can be applied to your media. Use the search feature to quickly locate the flip layer effect. Once you find it, tap the effect to add it to the selected layer. After applying the flip layer effect, choose the Flip Horizontal preset. This preset creates a card flipping motion that rotates the layer horizontally, making it appear as though a card is turning from one side to the other. Once the preset has been applied, open the effect settings to view and adjust its controls. To improve the smoothness of the animation, access the graph editor from within the effect settings. Adjust the graph according to your preference to create a smoother and more natural flip effect. After adjusting the graph, return to the flip layer effect settings. Scroll through the available options to find the remaining controls provided by the effect. Once all adjustments have been completed, play the project to preview the animation. Review the movement and make any final refinements if necessary. By following these steps, you can successfully create a smooth and professional flip card animation in Alight Motion.